how to maintain harmony and inner peace of mind. Focus your thought process to those things which are within your control. There are some things that you just cannot change, no matter how hard you try. If you give attention to those things which cannot be controlled, it will shower your mood, distract your mind, and put stress in your life. Spend some time in nature when you find time. If you spend time among the birds and trees in the greenery, take a long walk in a park, or spend a weekend outing, you will find tranquility inside, which will promote our peace of mind. Try to be you are what you are. Be true to yourself. No need to have any pretensions in life. Live a life that is in accordance with your values. Do not allow society to dictate your choices, and never try to be impressive to others. Take care what you eat and drink. Avoid junk foods and processed foods with artificial preservatives, as those may cause mood swing which can hamper your overall sense of well-being. Associate with positive people. Spend quality time with the right kind of people having positive influences. If you allow people into your life who bring inconveniences, you will not be able to maintain your inner serenity. Practice meditation for inner tranquility. Meditation helps us see life and its challenges more accurately. During stressful situation, you take a pause and meditate for a while. You will see the difference it does to your mind afterwards. Meditation is the best possible way to create the proper foundation to establish long-lasting harmony and inner peace of mind. Avoid trying to change other people. Everyone will not accept your way of thinking always. If you forcefully try to do so, your inner harmony will be at stake. You know very well that it is hard enough to change yourself. So, how will you ever manage to change someone else? Listen to various genres of music. Music, vocal and instrumental, both are good for relaxation. Music is the food for the soul and an instant way to gain peace of mind. Be aware of media distractions. To establish inner harmony, we have to avoid certain media distractions at any costs, such as horror and thriller movies, aggressive music, excessive watching of social media, socio-political negative conversations in television, etc. Media consumption can cause great turbulence within our mind. Play with a pet. Playing with a pet is a good way to get rid of stress and tension. Touch is a powerful sense and can ease tension and promote peace of mind. Practice mindfulness meditation. The power of mindfulness can give us inner peace. When we are mindful, we are fully present in the moment and actually aware of our five senses: touch, taste, sight, hearing, and smell. Enjoy sense of humor. Try to see and enjoy the funny side of life. Laughter is a potential antidote to stress and intrapsychic conflict. It also releases hormones that help us enjoy inner relaxation.